Yeah, check this out. Divine Lorraine. Holy crap. Whew, nice. It's a double glass door, so you know it's good. All right, are these condos or apartments?
It's apartments.
What's the range in price in these places?
I'm not a leasing agent, but I think it's for like a one bedroom starts at like 13.
Okay.
Yeah. And it's
Do you have studios?
No, just 1 and 2 bedrooms. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Nice chandelier you put up there. That's a nice See you later, man. Well, there we are. Divine. It's very divine and warm in the center. Center. Oh, they know how to crank out the heat here. Boys and girls of all shapes, sizes, and creeds will surely. Anyway, so that's where I'm at. Interesting. $1,300. Okay. Later.